How to speed up Wi-Fi and cellular data on any iPhone or iPad. First, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi network. If your connection feels slow, tap the information icon next to your network and choose Forget this network. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Next, go back to Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Make sure cellular data is enabled. Then tap Cellular Data Options. If your carrier and device support it, select Voice and Data and choose the fastest available network, such as 5G Auto, 5G On, or LTE, depending on your plan and coverage. Now, return to the main settings menu. Tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, followed by Reset and Reset Network Settings. This can fix many Wi-Fi and mobile data issues by clearing saved network settings. Just remember you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks afterward. Finally, restart your iPhone or iPad to apply the changes. That's it! Your Wi-Fi and cellular connection should now perform better. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iPad tutorials, and easy tech guides.